Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Tembeka from Izocom. Today's video is about Uthando Nesithembu, and I'm going to give you a full episode as you begged me. Musa woke up KwaMangwabe with the aim of going to Makumalo. On his way to Makumalo, he had a strange pain on his eyes. Then he went back to Mangwabe. He had a bath because it was on his way to meet Samke's uncle. The pain get worse. He went to Macele's household. When he arrived there, he asked Lwandle to take him to the doctor. When he arrived to the doctor, it became bad, and the doctor transferred him to the hospital. Macele phoned other wives and told them about Babake's condition. Mangwabe said Musa complained about the eye while he was there. Mayeni was not okay, but when he heard that Babake is sick, she calmed herself down because it's hard to see the head of their household sick. Makumalo cried. And the doctor said Musa had a minor stroke. On their way home, Macele suggested that they must have a meeting because Musa is lying on a hospital. So Makumalo and Mangayobe arrived on the meeting. Mayeni, she was not there. Then Macele decided to call her. Mayeni picked up the phone and she asked whom she's speaking to. Macele said, "You're speaking with Madu." Madu is Macele's name. Macele said, "I called you because I want to know, are you coming to the meeting?" She said, "No, I'm not at home. I am at Oshabeni and I'm not coming. You can continue with the meeting because you never told me while I was there." Then three of them continued with the meeting. That means it was Mangwabe, Makumalo and Macele. Macele said, since Babake admitted to the hospital, other wives are the cause of Musa's illness because there is a fifth wife. Others, they don't want to connect with her. Others are quitting to the marriage. Mangabe say, no, I think your family made Musa get ill because he was stressed about what your family said. Remember, they said Musa supposed to give them cow when he took another wife because you are the first wife. So now Musa owes your family because he never pays for another wife, including Samke. On other side, Musa, he haven't got medical aid, so wives contributed cash for paying bill. Mayen never understood how come Musa haven't got medical aid, but she ended up contributed. While they sitted there, Macele reminded that they never told wife number 5 about her husband that is admitted to the hospital. Then Macele called Samke for lunch because she wanted to tell her on a proper way. Samke arrived on a lunch. Macele told her that Musa, he is not feeling well and he admitted to the hospital. He got high blood pressure. Samke said she was wondering why he never called her. Macele told her that they took his phone. Then Macele called him with a video call because he was admitted for 2 days. Yeah. Then she took Samke to pay a visit to her husband. So Macele told the fifth wife that when they arrived to the hospital, they must seen by other wives because Samke never introduced to the other wives. Samke cries because the other wives, they don't want to meet her. So now she's supposed to do things hiding. Welcome to the polygamy, Makwela. Yeah. Macele suspected that wife number 5, she's pregnant because she was wearing the dress that looked like maternity dress. She said, no, I'm not pregnant. Now, Pumelelo went to visit his dad and they chat. His father told him that maybe he is sick just because he failed to unite his wives and the rest of his family. And he also said, what will happen to wife number 5 when there is a function or a family trip? other side samke continue deny usine as a friend. Yo, I thank you. Bye, you.